Hello guy, let's talk about NPC, non-player character, which is my passion, and indeed, as you can see, I have made the NavMesh for the space station, and I've made also some other stuff about NPC and creations, NPC and more stuff, but at the moment I'm in an early stage. Anyway, NPC. First of all, when you use a NavMesh agent, the NavMesh agent won't trigger any trigger. And even if you add a box collider or a trigger inside of them, it will not work. Reason why: it will requires a rigid body. You have to set it as kinematic, obviously, because you can't move it in any other case. And also I freeze the rotation. I'm not sure what happened when you enable the ragdoll, so for this project I don't need it, so I don't care. Anyway, if you just test it and you will see what happened. Another thing very important, and I'll show you, I had some issue because my NPC, when need to move around the map, instead of facing the direction where they had going, they strafe, and this drives me crazy. And also I haven't found any infos on the documentation, and the community isn't so useful. So after a bunch of tests and trying, which means stop, play, stop, play, stop, play, in the end I get it. So inside the character, in the motion, in the rotation, you have this wonderful drop-down menu, and instead of motion direction, which is set by default, you just have to set as driven, and that's it. So as you can see, the character are moving and facing the right direction. Yeah, this is one of the things that didn't work. The girl here are recovering energy with behavior states, but for some reason they aren't able to exit from this state. But anyway, I will fix it soon. I can show you also what I mean when I said that the girl were strafing. If I change this to motion direction, which is the default setting, I'll do it for both so we can check it for sure. So you can see that she's moving weirdly. Indeed, because I guess she's facing the direction of the NavMesh agent, and instead, if you set it as driven, okay, in real time didn't work probably. Anyway, if you set it as driver direction, which is the NavMesh driver, I guess, then she moves correctly. Hope to be useful. Bye bye.